Another day, another English lesson. Sensations and experiences with feel and feel like. Hello again, friends. Today we're going to explore the verbs feel and feel like to describe sensations and experiences. Feel and feel like are both used to talk about how someone experiences something, but they work a little differently in sentences. First, let's consider the verb feel. We use feel when we want to describe someone's or something's sensations or emotions. After feel, we usually use an adjective. For example, you feel happy. The water feels cold. Now, let's consider feel like. We use feel like when we want to compare a sensation or experience to something else. After feel like, we often use a noun or noun phrase. For example, it feels like a sunny day. We can also use a clause, for example, it feels like she's been waiting forever. So, remember, feel is followed by an adjective, and feel like is usually followed by a noun or clause. This small difference changes the meaning of the sentence. Now, watch and complete these sentences with the correct form of feel or feel like. One. The water feels cold when you touch it. 2. They feel excited about this new movie. 3. This pillow feels like a cloud to him. 4. It feels like she's been waiting forever. 5. The wind feels strong today. 6. She feels like the food needs more salt. 7. He always feels nervous before an important match. 8. The room feels like a sauna after the heater is on. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.